Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix TalkTalk box not responding to remote, battery, pairing and reset fix. To fix a TalkTalk box that is not responding to its remote, reset and repair the remote by holding the 7 and 9 digits simultaneously until the remote light flashes. Follow these sequential steps according to the official TalkTalk Help Center to completely isolate and resolve the issue. First, battery and hardware checks. Fresh batteries. Replace the existing batteries with a brand new pair. Ensure they are aligned with the correct polarity inside the chamber. Clear obstruction. Clear any objects blocking the path between your remote and the front panel of the TalkTalk box. Clean the sensor. Wipe down the infrared sensor lens located at the top of the remote and the front window of the box. Second, reset and repair the remote. Unpair the remote. Press and hold down the 7 and 9 buttons together for a few seconds until the blue light on the remote flashes. This puts the remote back into standard infrared mode. Next, repair with TV hub. Point the remote at the box, then press and hold the OK and Home buttons together until the blue light flashes again. Wait for on-screen notifications stating that the device is connected. Next is to update the firmware. Once paired, navigate to settings, then go to remote and accessories, then your remote name, then go to firmware update to prevent future disconnections. Third, power cycle the TalkTalk box. Soft reboot. Press and hold the power button on the front of the physical box for 8 seconds until the screen goes blank, then let go. Hard power cycle. Turn off the power switch located on the back panel of the box. Unplug the main power lead entirely from the wall socket. Rest window. Leave the unit completely unpowered for 30 seconds. Plug it back in. Turn the rear switch to on, eye position, and boot up the system. Fourth, perform a maintenance factory reset. Access recovery. Turn the box off using the rear switch while holding down the physical power button on the front panel. Switch the rear power button back on. Trigger recovery screen. Keep holding the front panel button down until the Android recovery or maintenance screen appears on your television. Execute wipe. Select reset settings or factory reset using the physical buttons on the box to wipe corrupt cache data. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.